Alright, this is my car, the 1998 Ford Escort SE, and I'm going to talk to you about the issues with the air conditioning. I already know about the obvious problems, so you don't need to comment about those. Okay? So I'm going to turn on the air conditioning, and as you can see or hear, there's obviously nothing happening. You don't hear anything, you don't hear the fan or anything. But there is a compromise in power, and it does run a little bit rougher when the air conditioning is engaged. See, it does run rougher. But you do hear the fan on when the air conditioning is engaged. I think it does leak a little bit. Not yet, but I think it's just a small amount. Nothing's working. So it probably just needs a new fan. But let me know about anything else that it may need. I can even put it on max AC if you want me to, but it's not going to do anything at all. It's completely out. So thank you very much.